Good morning, students. Our chapter is statistics. We all know what the statistics is. We have done statistics in our earlier classes. Now we will do some more explanation of this topic. Now, statistics. In statistics, there are main terms central tendency. What is central tendency? The clustering of data towards a central value is called central tendency. Is it clear? Now, we have many measures to find the central tendency. In our syllabus, there are three measures to find the central tendency, that is mean, mode and median. Now, we will do mean of a group distribution. Mean of ungroup distribution we have done in our earlier classes. Now we will do mean of group distribution. Mean of group distribution can be found by three methods: direct method, assume mean method and step deviation method. Direct method we have done in earlier classes. I am explaining one question by direct, assume mean as well as by step deviation method. Is it clear? Now firstly, direct method. Working rule of direct method are: firstly, we will prepare the frequency table. In the first column we will write the class interval. In the second column we will write the class mark. Class mark is the midpoints, that means lower limit plus upper limit, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. This is class mark. Now, in the third column we will write the corresponding frequencies. Our step 2 is we will multiply the frequency of each row with corresponding class mark and find Fi xi. Then we will find the sum of Fi xi and sum of all the frequency in third column. Now formula of mean is summation of Fi xi upon summation of Fi. For example, we have a question: data on number of patients attending a hospital in a month are given below. Number of patients are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and so on. This is a group type distribution. Now number of days are 2, 6, 9, 7, 4, 2. These are frequencies. Now we have to find the average number of patients attending the hospital in a day. Now number of patients are 0 to 20, 10 to 22, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and so on. Number of days, that means frequency are this one. Now sum of frequency is 30. Now xi is the class mark. Class mark is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Now 0 to 10, that means 0 plus 10 by 2, that means 5. 10 plus 20 by 2, that means 15. 20 plus 30 by 2, 50 by 2, that means 25 and so on. In this way we will find the xi. Now Fi xi, multiply each Fi with xi, corresponding xi. 5 multiplied by 2, 10. 6 into 15, 90. 25 into 9, 225. 35 into 7, 245. 45 into 4, 180 and 55 into 2, 110. Now summation of all Fi xi are 860 and summation of Fi is 30. Now mean is summation of Fi xi upon summation of Fi, that means 860 upon 30. Now it will be 28.67. That is the answer, that is mean. Now we will do the same question by assume mean method. That means if the mid values are large in magnitude, then the computation will become so lengthy and tedious. So to simplify the computation, we will use assume mean method.